Hawaiian BBQ is delicious, but with the recession looming and prices rising across the board, there's no better time to learn how to make your favorite takeout meals at home. Today, I'll show you how I stopped paying for takeout food and instead made my favorite Hawaiian BBQ teriyaki chicken at home. Not only does this recipe taste delicious, but it's helped save me nearly $100 a week by not eating out. This teriyaki chicken recipe is juicy, packed with flavor, and surprisingly easy to make. Since we're making plate lunch style, we'll also give it a nice scoop of mac salad. We'll even meal prep this into 6 mini meals. So, let's get cooking. We're going to marinate our chicken by first mixing together a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 15 ounces of soy sauce, mix until dissolved, then cut 1 bunch of green onions. And crush 6 garlic cloves. Mix this all together. Then we can add about 4 to 5 large boneless chicken thighs. Breast meat can also be used, but I like to use dark meat. Submerge all these chicken thighs in the marinade. And then allow to marinate for at least 4 hours for best results. On a cast iron skillet, outdoor grill, or indoor grill, we'll take our now marinated chicken and cook it up. There is lots of sugar in this marinade that will allow for a nice caramelization and a sweeter taste in teriyaki style. This also does mean it'll burn off eventually, so be sure to keep the fan on or the window open. After about 5 minutes, flip the chicken, and cook for another 5 minutes. It smells so good. After that 5 minutes, we can take a look, and just look at that chicken. We can also check and probe it to make sure that we've hit at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Before removing, and repeating for the rest of the chicken. Outdoor grilling of these is so good, and personally my favorite. But if you don't have one of those or you can't do it, then indoor grills like the one we're using here today still also taste delicious and are easy to clean. You can of course use a pan as well. We'll check the temperature one last time, and then set these aside. Once our chicken's all done, we can cut this up into small thin pieces. The teriyaki chicken is so juicy, and the flavor, while simple, is really good. Feel free to scale this recipe as well if you want to make more. This chicken by far and away is one of my favorite chicken meal preps. It's so easy, but yet so delicious. Just look at that chicken. We can then serve this with mac salad and rice. If you want to learn more about how to make mac salad, then see the link in the description below. Plate lunches are so good, and one of my favorite meals to go to. We can then portion and meal prep this into mini containers, just like getting a mini serving from takeout at a Hawaiian barbecue place. Each meal comes with 1 scoop of rice, 1 scoop of mac salad, and a generous portion of teriyaki chicken. I love getting Hawaiian plate lunches, but with food costs rising again, it's hard to justify eating out when I can make just as good food, if not better, at home for way less money. In fact, everything you see here today costs as much as one serving eating out. The rice costs about $1.50, the mac salad costs about $4, and the teriyaki chicken costs about $5 to $6. In total, we made 6 servings for about $12 to $13. Takeout these days for something like this costs just under $20 with tip. And after making and eating this homemade version, I'd argue my homemade plate lunch is better and well worth the savings. Meal prepping is also a great way to save time during the week when you're busy and you just want something to eat. If this is getting you hungry to cook and save money, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time. These scoops make it easy to portion out food consistently and make sure that you also stay on budget. Here are today's ingredients.